going. Oh! Yeah! Is it wing?
That is an inertia switch. And what that does, when the Ferraris have an accident and the airbags deploy, that pops up and cuts fuel going to the engine to try and stop fires. It's like a primary fuse. All they have to do is press it down. And now, if we've got enough battery power, the car should actually start. This inertia switch is pretty clever. The switch is always pressed down until it takes a hit.
The switch activates and now this button is in the up position.
And when the button's in the up position, it cuts the power going to the fuel pump to prevent fires after an accident. 16,000 miles.
She's new. It's brand new. It's literally brand new.
It's good. Ready? So now that we've pressed it down, we should be able to crank the car and get it to start. Ready again? But nothing. It didn't even crank. The jumper pack was saying that the battery that was on the car was completely dead. It was so bad that it almost wasn't registering. So I went to work at removing it, then I can order a new one. And in the meantime, I put the jumper cables directly onto the connections which would usually go on the battery. And then Liam connected the other side of the jumper cables
Here we go.
to our slave battery that we had in the unit.
Action.
But still nothing. So alongside the slave battery, we had the jumper pack on it as well for extra power. Come on, key on. And foot on the brake. And engine start. But again, nothing. To eliminate that we had any resistance in those jumper cables, we decided to put the slave battery that we had in the unit and connect it directly up to the terminals on the car instead. That's a full-on truck battery in there now. Like an absolute diesel beast. Ready? Ignition. Ooh, sound good.
Sounding better.
Silly beeping. Come on! Oh, that did more!
It did more. Still not going. Oh! Yes! Is it wing? Yes! Oh my god! It's smoking! Yes! Come on! Yes! Yes! Oh, it sounds good. Yes. Come on! It worked. But we do have a fair amount of fault codes on the dash. Oh! It started.
Well,
That's
good.
the main thing.